Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing an update to my whole collection project pan. So if you're interested how I got on over the last I think it was 3 weeks since my last update, and if you want to see if I'm rolling something out and just in general what my progress is, then just keep on watching. I keep forgetting to mention in these this project pans videos who created the project and all of that. I will have the original creator linked down below in my description box, and this project, from what I know, was kind of revived by Emily and Max and Sarah Safrine. I will also have their channels linked down below. So let's get on with the progress. So the first thing that I have here is my Wet n Wild Bare It All lipstick. My goal is to use all of this up, and so far I have used it 8 times throughout these couple of weeks, and this is how much we have left. You will see the difference in the pictures. I think I made some progress, honestly, because the way that I've been using this lipstick is as a blush and also as a lipstick, so I think it's gonna, you know, it's gonna go faster basically. So yeah, a couple of more months and I think we'll be done with that. I just need to kind of pick up my usage. Well, see, the thing is, the time difference between the last update and this update isn't as long, because I was late on my last update by I think a week. So for this time around we only have 3 weeks of progress, which is still not too bad. I like how, you know, how the progress is going. So yeah, this is staying here for another little while, but if I just pick up my usage, I think it won't be that difficult to finish up, especially now that I'm using this as a cream blush also. The second thing that I rolled into this project is my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. This foundation is quite new in my collection, so I just gave myself the goal of using this 30 times, and as of today I had used this foundation 11 times. So, you know, again, if I pick up my usage, I might be done with this next month if I do my makeup more often. We'll see. I really like this foundation, so I'm not mad that it's in this project, because it is so, it has medium coverage, but it is so lightweight that it just looks beautiful on my skin. I've heard that not a lot of people like this foundation because it kind of attaches to their dry patches, so you know, I feel like this might be a better option for us combination and oily skin gals, but I just enjoy this, and I have the consistency reminds me so much of the Bourjois Healthy Mix. Not the smell, because this one doesn't smell very nice, but the consistency and the way that it looks on my skin reminds me of Bourjois Healthy Mix so much. I have been enjoying it. So yeah, 11 times done, 19 more to go. I think we'll be able to do that in 1 month, and if not, then in 2 months definitely. Next up, I have my Catrice Freeking GREENius eyeshadow stick, and I set myself a goal to use half of what I'm rolling up now. So this is still how much we have left. As you will see in the progress picture, I made some progress. It wasn't as much as I maybe would have wanted, but then again, this is only 3 weeks worth of progress. So yeah, I mean, progress is there, which is great. I gave myself a really hefty goal, you know, using half of this, and you know, it's not the most creamiest kind of stick, but you know, I enjoy the color, I like it. I will actually give you a swatch of it, and I will swatch the lipstick also. So it is like an army green sort of shade, which, you know, pairs nicely with my Avantvous eyeshadows, and you know, I don't mind it. I would say with the amount of progress that I'm doing, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 months, and this will be out of this project, which is, it's okay. And this is the swatch of the lipstick. So it is a beautiful lipstick, and it is a beautiful, beautiful cream blush. I enjoy this, and I don't mind the lippy, or not the lippy stick, the eyeshadow stick. Also, I'd say 4 more months and then we will be done. So in terms of usage, I had used this eyeshadow stick 5 times. Not too much, maybe I would prefer more, but then again, I didn't do my makeup very often. But yeah, if I pick up my usage, I think I'll be able to hit my goal, you know, in a decent amount of time. The next thing that I have is my Colourpop blush in the shade Lunar Has It, and my goal is to hit pan on this guy. So this is what it's looking like right now. I don't think you'll be able to see. I have a little bit of a dip going in this guy, but these pans are fairly deep, you know. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to hit pan as quickly as I thought I would. This project has a refresh after 6 months of, you know, doing the project. So the July update would be a refresh update, and I am half kind of considering, oh, you can see the dip now. I am half considering actually, you know, rolling this out in that refresh. If I don't hit pan on it, I'm not 100% sure, because, you know, the competitive side in me is like, come on, you can do it, you can hit pan, you've done it before with blushes. But then another side of me is like, you know, I'm kind of tired of this blush already. And yeah, I'm not sure what to do. Let me know in the comments down below. What would you mind if I roll this out, or would you not? Would you prefer to see something different instead of this blush? Yeah, just let me know, because I am a little bit conflicted. So over the last month, I had used this blush 8 times for an overall 34 uses in this project. What I might do actually is I might start using this as my transition shade, you know, with a more concentrated brush. That might actually help me hit pan quicker, which, you know, I might actually start doing that until the July update. We'll see, maybe that will help me again. So let me just give you a swatch of the blush. It's a beautiful kind of peachy orangey blush. I don't mind it, but I've just had this in my, you know, this project for so long that I'm kind of tired of it. We'll see. The plan is I will start using this as a transition shade, and maybe that will help me hit pan quicker. If I hit pan before my July update, I would be very, very happy. If I don't, I might, you know, roll it out and roll something else in the refresh. We'll see. And the last product that I have in this project is my Saint Luxe Cupid lip liner, and I have a specific goal that I want to hit on it. You will see in the pictures, you've probably already seen it, and I am glad to report that I have hit my goal and actually exceeded my goal. That means we will be rolling this guy out and we'll be rolling something else in, which is always super exciting. So over the last month, I had used this lip liner 11 times, overall bringing me to 33 uses to hit and exceed my goal. This is a nice lip liner. It is a rosy kind of shade. You know, it wasn't a chore to use it, but you know, this is right there. It kind of goes well with a lot of lipsticks that I own. So yeah, it wasn't a chore, but I'm happy that we get to roll it out, because you know, it's always exciting to roll something else in. So yeah, now let's get on into the selection process. So I'm going to share my screen right here because it's just easier for me to, you know, select my items like that. So going into my spreadsheet, I have 194 eligible products to be rolled into this project. I added a couple of new things that I've shared on my TikTok. I will leave my handle somewhere here right now. I've bought 4 things, so I added them into this spreadsheet. So like I said, 194 eligible products to roll in. So I'm going to put this into my pretty random app. 194, and yeah, let's roll. I guess I will have to mention a couple of rules. I am not going to have 2 products of the same category. I think that's the main one. So if I roll, for example, another lipstick, I won't be, I'll just basically re-roll again. So let's randomize. And the product number is 149. Okay, so let's see. 149 is another lip liner. Oh my god. I guess 1 for 1 is not too bad. 149. Okay, and it is the PS Red Lip Liner. So let me just fish it out of my collection and we'll figure out a goal, I guess. Okay, so here I have my lip liner. As you can see, it's quite small because, you know, it's my only red lip liner that I own in my collection. So I have been using this with all types of reds that I own. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's super small. So my goal is to use it up completely. I think that's a fair goal. I don't have much left. I anticipate maybe 3 months this is going to be in this project, which is fine. But yeah, I want to use it up, and then I'll be able to buy myself another red lip liner, which is always great because this is the only one that I own. But yeah, the PS brand is from Pennies, so or Primark if you're everywhere else in the world except Ireland. But yeah, let's use this guy up. It shouldn't be that difficult. And let me just give you a swatch of this particular lip liner. It is a beautiful kind of beautiful cool toned red color. So yeah, this is very interesting. 1 for 1. I don't mind it. But yeah, red. Oh, you're gonna see a lot of videos with me wearing a red lip. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.